Okay, hello and welcome to our class DJJ 10013 engineering drawing. Today I would like to demonstrate to you how to draw triangle. We have four different types of triangle. Number one is Scaling triangle. Number two is Isosceles triangle. Number three is Equilateral triangle. And number four is Right angle triangle. So, if you want to draw the triangles, first of all, I want you to divide your drawing paper, which is you set it up on the table and you draw the frame and divided it into eight equally column. Okay, I want you to divide to 8 equal column because we want to draw the other, not the same thing, one column for each drawing, and we got 8 columns on the paper. Okay, first I want you to draw we want to draw a scaling triangle. What is the meaning of scaling triangle? First of all, I want you to draw a horizontal straight line inside one of the column. We got each column have a totally length of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 centimeter or 100 millimeter, and the width is about 11.5 centimeter or 115 millimeter. Okay, so first I want you to draw inside the column at about 12 to 20 at about 8 centimeter horizontal line, and you mark it at the end of it as A and B. Okay, scaling triangle is a triangle that is, we know that triangle has three sided. So the scaling triangle has no equal sides. Every side has its different length. So I want you to draw A to B as about 80 millimeter. And after that, I want you to use A to the point C. A to point C is about 6 centimeter or 60 centimeter. You can just put it on your T-square and get the length. Okay, 13 to 19 is about 60 millimeter. Okay, 60 millimeter on your protractor. Okay, and then put it on B and draw one arc at the top of the AB, and then you got from B is equally 60 millimeter arc from B. Okay, so the point C is over there. Okay, and A, I want you to draw about 8, 6, and 4. I want you to draw 4 millimeter, 40 millimeter, sorry, 40 millimeter arc. 40 millimeter arc. 13 to 17. At about, and put it on the A. Put it on the A and draw an arc at the top, which is marked from the arc from B, and then you got the point there, and you got the point there, and you mark it as C. So you got the Scalene triangle, which is not the same sides, the same length on each side at point at A, B, and C. So, okay, no? Okay, the arc, you draw the arc. I want to mention you that when you draw the arc, please do not put pressure on the arc, because the arc is a building lines. AB is object line and the arc is building line. So the building line is a blur line. If you got 2H, and use the 2H. If you don't got 2H, don't put the pressure on the line. Make it blur. From the black line is an object line, and the blur line is a building line. Okay? After you build it, you draw it and you build it, and then you just draw the line from B and C, and then from C to A. C to A. I want to draw the line. Make sure that your line is not get away from C. Perfectly. Okay? No, you cannot put it, what we call it, get it outside and then your drawing look like a mess. Okay, just perfectly. So we got a Scalene triangle. AB is equal to 80 millimeter. BC is equal to 60 millimeter. And AC is equal to 40 millimeter. Okay. Okay, that is a Scalene triangle. Now I would like to demonstrate to you the second triangle, which is the isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means that it has two sides equal length. Okay, two sides which is an equal length. Okay, that is a isosceles triangle. First, make sure that you draw it from, okay, we got this in the middle of the column, 22 to 30. Okay, 8 millimeter, 22 to 30, it's about 8 millimeter. Okay, now draw a horizontal line and mark it as A and B, which is 80 millimeter. Okay. Now we draw the side that is an equal sides, which is from the peak of the triangle, which has an equal leg length, equal leg size. Okay, now we want that the leg is about 20 to 30, long leg, 20 to 30. Okay, use your protector and put it on your T-square and get the length of 20 to 30, and then after that you put it on the A and draw an arc at the top of your horizontal line A and B. Okay, now without change the protector, okay, stand it still, put it on B, and then draw an arc which is like this, and then you got after it meets on the center of the arc, meets it here, you mark it as C. Okay, now put it together, okay, let it join from B to C. Draw a line from B to C like this, and A to C. Okay, now you got which is the same legs, same side, 100 millimeter. This side also is 100 millimeter. Okay, now we got two types of scalene and isosceles. Okay, now we go to the third one on the bottom of the drawings. Sorry. Okay. At the bottom of the drawing, the third triangle is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, we just draw it from the last class, which is I captured you a video on my YouTube. All the sided is equally, which means that when it's equally, what it means, interior angle is about 180. Of course, this is 180. Interior angle is 180, but the equilateral triangle, every triangle have the same angle. Okay, so first I want you to draw A and B. 12 to 20. 12 to 20. Okay, and mark it as A and B. Mark it as A and B at about 80 millimeter or 8 centimeter. Okay, and after that, use your protector which has the same side, and you just put it at A and the other side, or the pencil side of the protector, at B. B. You can see this at B. Okay, like this, and then draw an arc at the top of AB. Okay, without changing your protector, put it on B and then draw the arc until it's meet. Okay, until it's meet with the other arc, and the meeting point up here is C. Okay, now we put it together. B and C, and then C and A. Okay, now we got the third. The third one is, we call it equilateral triangle, which is 80 mm. This side also 80 mm, and this side is also 80 mm, which is every single of the angle is 180. 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. Okay, A is 60 degree. C, angle at C also 60 degrees, and the angle at B is also 60 degrees, because it has the same length, and the total of the angle inside the triangle is 180. Okay, now let's go to the last one of the triangle. Which is a simple triangle. We call it a right angle triangle. First, I want you to draw, which is the same as the other one from the last one also, 22 to 30. 22 is about 80. 22 to 30 is about 80 millimeter, and mark it as A and B. Okay, now the tricky part is, I want you to draw exactly like the last one. We want it to be at this one. Okay, you want the side, the other side. What is the meaning of right angle? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. What is the meaning of right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is one of the angle is 90 degree. So I want you to put the 90 degree at B. Okay, just as we learn how we put a horizontal and vertical line, and we get together of 90 degree from the last of my drawings, title lines. Okay, just like the line. Okay, put a building line there. Okay, and mark it as C. You can mark it as C, okay, no problem. And then B and C, you can you just don't measure the B and C. Put it just like this, and then use your protractor. Use your protractor. Okay, put it at B. Put it at B, and then put it at C like this. Okay, put it B and C, and then make a half of a circle from C to the line of AB until it's meet the line. And we mark it as D. Okay, mark it C and D. C right there, C and D. And then from C and D, use your protractor. You can adjust it a little bit, adjust it a little bit big, like this, and then draw an arc at the top of the half of the circle, and then put it at C, and draw the arc until meets the other arc. Okay, now we got the point. The point there, that's meet. Got the point there is meet. That is an E. Okay, that's E. So, okay, now we draw a line which is a vertical line, B and E. Okay, now we got B and E. B and E, which is have the side of angle, it's about 90 degrees. Okay, so how is the length? How much you want the length of B and E? Okay, if I want the length, I want it to be at about 60, and then you just measure it 60 millimeter or 50 lah, 50 millimeter at about 5 centimeter. Okay, there is your E. Okay, now 50 millimeter there, almost done. And then I want you to mark it F lah, which is more easy for you to understand. And then meet it together with a line there, A and F, and then you got a which is right angle triangle, has the 90 degree angle on the one side of the side angle of the triangle. Okay, so I hope you understand about the triangle. So that's all for now. Thank you.